So I think the experience was really good. I love that the theme was coming out. And the helpers of Santa came round singing loads of songs. So I thought it was really good.
Good start to Christmas. Merry Christmas. Actually, I've been doing some letters to Santa and I've been throwing snowballs, singing songs, so I've just had a great time.
I thought it was very creative and a good idea because everybody got involved and all the elves were really kind to everybody.